Hello everyone. In this video we will solve question 383 ransom note from LeetCode in JavaScript. So the question says we are given two strings, one is the magazine, the letters of the magazine, and another is a ransom note. Now we need to identify if the ransom note can be constructed from the magazine. So basically you have a bunch of letters in the magazine and you need to find if using those letters you can construct a string which is equal to ransom note. Now there are a couple of conditions that needs to be met for this to happen. So let's look at those. So first we have a magazine. So let's say the magazine is a big string from here to here, where you have a lot of strings. Let's say A, B, C, then again A, B, C, let's say D, E, F, and you have a ransom note. So let's say the ransom note is D, A, B. Now we need to find if this ransom note can be constructed from the magazine. For this to happen, we need to ensure that every character in the ransom note is present in the magazine. So let's say D is present, yes. A is present, yes. Next is A is again present. We cannot use the same A because we have already used it. So this A is present, yes, and this B is present, yes. Now let's look at this. So we have A, B, A, D, A. Let's change color so that it's legible. Now this A is present, yes. This B is present, yes. This A is present. This D is present. This A is not present anymore. We have used both the A's. So the approach for the problem would be, from the magazine we would create a map which will have all the characters in their count. So a map for this string would look something like this. A is 2, B is 2, C is 2, and then D is 1, E is 1, F is 1. Now from the ransom note we will pick one character at a time and we will see if the character is in the map or not, and if the character is in the map we will see if the count is greater than 0 or not. So for this case D is in the map, we will decrease the count to 0. A is in the map, we will decrease the count to 1, and so on. For this case, so let's change colors again. For this case A will go with initial, that is 2. A is present, yes, we will make the count 1. B is present, we will make the count 1. Again A is present, we will make the count 0. D is present, the initial was 1, so we will make the count 0. Next A. Now A is there but the count is 0. That means we have exhausted all the A's from the map. So this string, this ransom note cannot be constructed using this magazine. So the approach would be, we create a map from the magazine of the characters in their count, and then we will loop over the ransom note and we will see if all the characters from ransom note are present in the map or not. If they are present, their count should be greater than 0. So let's go ahead and implement this. First, let's declare a map. Next, we loop over the magazine and create our map of characters and their counts. Okay, so we are looping over the magazine, and if the character is present in the map from previous iterations or so on, we will increment the count. So we will increment the count of the magazine character at magazine position I. If the character is not present, then we will set the magazine character. We will set the count of the character in the magazine in the map to 1. I fumbled a bit there. So let's try again. So we are looping over the magazine, and if the character at that particular index in the magazine is present in the map, we will increment the counter, else we will set the character in the magazine and we will set the counter to 1. So we will save the character in the map at that particular index and we will set the value to 1. A bit of a tongue twister there. Okay, so now we will loop over our ransom node and we will see if we can construct it from the magazine. So first condition is if the character at the current index of the ransom node is not present in the map, or if the count of that character is 0. If any of these conditions satisfy, that means the characters from the letters in the magazine cannot construct the ransom node, so we will return false. And if this condition is not true, then we will use that character from the magazine for the ransom node and we will decrement the count. If we reach to the end of loop, or if we exit out of the loop, that means this condition never ran. That means the ransom node can be created, so we will return true. Let's go ahead and run this. Okay, let's ransom it. Something is wrong. AAAB. This should run according to the logic. Let's see where did I miss. Okay, so if map hash magazine okay, this part looks okay. Let's try this. If map does not has the ransom node character, or if oops, this is not set, this is get. Let's try again. Okay, so it got submitted. So yeah, very simple question with little bit of a string manipulation and use of map. That's all. So stay tuned and I'll see you around in the next one. Thank you.